Hello and welcome back to another Poolside Chat presented by AnnualPools.com. I'm Rob.
And I am Matthew. Today's question is about salt, so bust out the margaritas. The question goes as such. What salt system do you suggest for a 60,000 gallon residential pool? Rob?
All right, I'll take it from here.
Please do.
Well, they do make residential salt systems designed up to 60,000 gallons. But if you have a 60,000 gallon pool, I wouldn't recommend that because it's already maxed out. It's going to struggle to keep up with the chlorine demand in the warmer months. So actually, I'd recommend going with two 40,000 gallon units because that will bring you up to 80,000.
I know, Matt.
I went to school. Something like the Pure Line Crystal Pure, Hayward Aquarite, Pentair IntelliChlor, any of those are good systems. Two of those will still cost half as much as a commercial salt system designed for a larger pool. The pool owner that originally asked this question on the forum actually had a really great follow-up question. He wanted to know if he should install the salt cells one after the other or parallel to each other.
This is the first time we've ever had a follow-up question.
Follow-up question? It's the first time I'm throwing to you.
Yeah, it feels so weird. But the best method would be to install the cells in a parallel fashion. Installing them one after another will prevent the second cell from effectively producing chlorine. This is due to gas bubbles formed in the first cell that disrupt the chlorine production in the second one.
Another benefit to parallel plumbing is that it reduces the water flow through each cell, and this will prolong the life of the salt cells.
Yeah, so if you have any questions about salt systems or anything else, please leave a question down below in the comments. And for all of your pool and spa needs, please visit us over at AnnualPools.com. Thank you for joining us. Bye.